What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel sstectutorials. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about a very old video I make and upload on my channel. And that video is about how to remove vocals from any song you want. And that video got blast. I got so many video views, comment on that video. But also I'll get so many negative comment on that video. Because most of my subscribers cannot use that video to remove vocal from any song using Audacity. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a new method and 100% working method to remove vocal from any song. And that method is very easy. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel sstectutorials and stay connected with my channel. In my previous video, I was showing you how to remove vocal from any song using Audacity. But all of my subscribers said that the output is not satisfied. So in this video, I will show you another new way and 100% working method to remove vocal from any song you want. In this video, I will use a new software named Rx7 Advanced Audio Editor. I will put down the download link in the description. And for this tutorial demonstration purpose, I use Pehchan Music YouTube channel song named Ek Ajnabi Hasina Se. So let me show you how you can remove vocal from any song so that you can make your own cover song. Download the Rx7 editor and install it on your computer. The editor interface will look like this. Now let's import the song into the software. Click on Open and select the song and add into your editor. Now let's listen the song with the vocal.
अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने जैसे निकल आया घटा से चाँद.
So guys, that's how it sounds with the vocal. You can remove the vocal from a particular portion or from the full song. Double click and select the full song. Then go to the right menu and from there click on Music Rebalance. From the drop down, select the default option. Then decrease the voice to -infinity. Increase the sensitivity a little bit. Also increase the bass and sensitivity. For better quality, you can tweak other option also. I keep as it is. Then click on render. Now it will take some time to render. Okay guys, now rendering is completed. Now let's listen the song again. So guys, here you can listen, the vocal is removed from the song. To save it, click on File, go to Export and select the format and bitrate. Then save it. Okay guys, now let's play the real song first with vocals.
वो अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने जैसे निकल आया घटा से चाँद.
Now let's play the audio file whatever we export without vocal. Now you can listen that the vocal is removed from the song and the output is very satisfied. In this way, you can remove vocal from any song you have right to do and make your own cover song.
So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the upcoming latest video tutorials. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching sstectutorial and I am signing out.